Maximizing audit efficiency through early building documentation access. Early acquisition of comprehensive site documentation is key for conducting efficient and thorough energy audits. Among the most vital documents are building drawings, particularly HVAC and electrical schedules, which serve as foundational resources for auditors. Why site drawings matter. Building drawings provide auditors with essential spatial and technical information before stepping foot on site. These documents offer detailed equipment locations, system interconnections, infrastructure layout, and historical building modifications. HVAC schedules, equipment specifications, system capacities, operating parameters, distribution layouts, control sequences, electrical schedules. These electrical schedules should detail panel locations, circuit assignments, load distributions, power requirements, and emergency systems. Pre-audit access to these documents enables better resource allocation, targeted inspection routes, preliminary analysis before site visits, reduced on-site documentation time, and more accurate equipment identification. By obtaining and reviewing these documents early in the audit process, professionals can significantly streamline their assessment workflow while ensuring comprehensive coverage of all building systems.